Hands down. Grab underneath. Yeah, grab its leg. Hold it up. Nice. Good job.
Woohoo!
Good deal. Okay, let's take it out to the road.
Can I try holding it?
Yeah, you can hold it when we get out there, ready?
Okay.
Brandon, show me what you got.
A bird. A partridge.
All right.
We got one.
We got one. Okay.
First bird of the day.
Show me what you got there.
A bird.
Wow. Look at that, buddy.
High five.